All right, look at the question. They said, can you make 10 to be equal to minus 10? Okay, is it possible? Yes, it's possible. But is 10 equal to minus 10? Of course not. But let us make 10 to be equal to minus 10. Okay, now let's start from this. I have that 10. Now, do you believe me that 10 is something as saying the square root of 10 all squared? If square take care of square root, I'm still getting back my 10. Okay, is equal to, now this is now the square root of 100. Am I correct? Yes. Now, do you believe me that 100 is something as saying minus 4 times minus 25? Is it the same thing as 100? Yes, it's the same thing. Now, can I split this to be the square root of minus 4 times the square root of minus 25? Okay, so this is now, don't forget that the square root of a negative number is I, and the square root of 4 is 2. So this is giving me 2I. Okay, times this one is giving me 5I. Okay, now if you multiply these two, you are going to be having 10I squared, and then we are having that this is 10. Don't forget that iota squared means minus 1. So 10 into minus 1, which is giving me 10. All right, sorry, which is giving me minus 10. Minus 10. You see, I've been able to turn 10 to be minus 10. But is this mathematics correct? No, it's not correct. The only problem is here. In this place, if you have the square root of two positive number, 4 times 25, okay, you can decide to multiply the inside and take the square root, or you separate them to be the square root of all, okay, times the square root of 25. So which will give you 2 times the square root of 2 times 5, okay, which will give you 10. Okay, or you say that like this: the square root of 4 times 25 is something as saying 4 times 25 all raised to power 1 over 2, okay, which you can separate at 1 over 2 times 25 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, now this will give you this is now 2 raised to power 2 into 1 over 2 times 5 raised to power 2 into 1 over 2. So if this take care of this and this take care of this, I'm left with 2 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 1, which is giving me 2 times 5, which is what? 10. Okay, now this works out for positive, but please, it doesn't work out for negative. Okay, you cannot say that the square root of minus 25 times minus 4 is the same thing as the square root of minus 25 times the square root of minus 4. Please, this is not the same thing. In this case, you have to work the inside first before you get their square root. Okay, so we don't separate it like this. So this is where we got it wrong. From this side, making this to be equal to this is where we got it wrong. So if you find this video funny and attracting, please can you give us a like, and then comment what you think on this video, and then please follow us and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.